I'm private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me in your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Peace and love, angels. It's Indy, and I'm back with another What I Eat in a Day as a model and athlete. So usually I've been starting my day off with a lovely sourdough avocado toast, usually with some smoked salmon and cream cheese on top, or just the fried egg, and maybe like a salsa pico de gallo and some red onions. So these are like the different variations I've made. It's so yummy. It's my favorite thing to eat in the mornings now, and it's just been really fulfilling. And I usually like to eat it with a green juice. So for lunch, I am having some vegan tacos with mango salsa on top with some tea. I always like to have tea with every meal because I just love herbal teas. It's very detoxifying and it keeps the skin lovely, and I just have to stay hydrated. I also drink a lot of water as well. Oh, and for the vegan tacos, I just put beans, rice, and vegetables. Gotta have a lovely bath before bed, and I had like a lovely glass of rosé and lit my candle, did the whole bath routine. And for dinner, I made some lovely chicken parmesan. It was so amazing. It was my first time actually making chicken parm, and I think it was the best I've ever had because I eat a lot of chicken parm when I go out to restaurants, and my friend said it was the best he's ever had too, and he goes and eats chicken parm at a lot of restaurants. So I feel like I did that. So this is what I eat in a day as a model and athlete. I eat pretty healthy on the regular. This was more of my maintenance day. I didn't have any shoots or anything athletic related, but I did do some yoga before bed. And yeah, I appreciate everyone who watched my video. And if you'd like to see more of my fitness routine and behind the scenes of my modeling, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and make sure to follow my Instagram where I have lots of my behind the scenes and more of my fitness journey and fitness routines. So thank you and have a good one.